Welcome to Paul's Glassworks. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use this glass cutter to take this bottle, cut the top off of it, and turn it into a drinking glass like this. Step number one when the glass cutter is in place is to get a 90-degree angle here. Step number two is to set your glass cutter head here to where it's 90 degrees this way. Step number three is to loosen this and bring it in against the bottle like this until you have a 90-degree angle this way. The next step is to take your bottle like this, place your glass cutter on it, hold it firmly by the bottom, grip it right here about part B, and with a gentle downward pressure straight down and a little inward pressure, turn your bottle to score it. And you stop the score when you hear it grind like that, because you're cutting over the second score. The next part will be the separation, which can be very tricky. The method that I use to separate the top from the bottom is hot and cold water. So I'll put water on the boil right now. The next step I do to get the bottle to separate is I take the glass wrapping tool and I put it about even with the score in the bottle and tap very lightly around even with the score. Make small fractures in it. In the old days, they used to take and use this method to crack the bottle all the way around and take the head off, but it takes forever. And you can still have jagged pieces and stuff that would cause this to be a failed cut. So I get 2 or 3 small fractures. Like this around the jar. And then I use hot and cold water so those fractures will follow the score and meet up and the bottle head comes out very cleanly. And I get a perfect cut near 80 to 85% of the time doing it this way. The way the scores, the way the cracks come together in there, it's almost... Now, after 2 or 3 failed attempts, you can see how smooth this cut came out. It's still got a little bit jagged edges. They're going to need to be ground down with the emery paper, which I will not put in this video. That'll be a whole different video on how to smooth your glass after cutting. But now, I have a drinking glass, and the head to the bottle, which I can turn into a candle holder or something or other else. Well, it looks like the glass cutting gods are not with me today, but out of 3 bottles, I got 2 perfect cuts. That one and this one. So I have 2 drinking glasses I can make, and this will take approximately 20 minutes to grind down an each with the emery paper. And same thing with these if I turn them into candle holders. About 20 minutes to smooth them down properly. And that's all there is to cutting glass. Please hit the like and subscribe to the channel for further updates, as I will be doing a lot of glass projects. Thank you for watching.